A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with 1TopBalla. Yeah, man. 1TopBalla with BatFlick. Yeah, man. GwallazBadness. It's say, you don't know, say authentic, him say. You don't know, say, yo, authentic young artist where him a push to the road. So big up yourself, my G. It's a Knaxx this, though. This is a Knaxx this. So, we're going to jump in and want to answer what I go on because since that's the big guns them now shoot out and we there and I itch for your war, make we find out what go another one here, man. Make we see much binds fire another one here, yeah, man. TopBalla, BatFlick, GwallazBadness, let's go.
Chip my this, and chip, and chip, why this BatFlick? So pussy Knaxx can't distant it, white out, come on, we empty the BatFlick, dive by.
Whoa, Buckland! The choice are rhythm, bro. The choice are rhythm. The choice are rhythm. Sick.
Chip,
Sick.
this,
Energy.
and chip, why this BatFlick?
What?
So pussy Knaxx can't distant it, white out.
Man say, yo, suck pussy Knaxx can't this Gwallaz them. Can't this tenty, can't this roll the boss, you mad?
This BatFlick.
What?
So pussy Knaxx can't distant it, white out, come on, we empty the pan clip, dive by 90 feet with couple broomstick. The one friend that I can't tag stick like shit. You know see the wall of them are some pit tiling. I feel me.
You know say the way them are some job straight. You know say the way them are some cockroach breeder. You know say the way them are some pit toilet, outside toilet with zinc roof. You know say the way them think.
White out, come on, we empty the pan clip, dive by 90 feet with couple broomstick. The one friend that I can't tag stick like shit.
Man say whole vendetta camp. So this are the Knaxx, this are the whole data camp then. Bumbo clot.
Clip dive by 90 feet with couple broomstick. The one friend that I can't tag stick like shit. You know see the wall of them are some pit tiling. I feel me this Gwallaz a headshot I get quick. And any boy about them a batty boy makes it. Yeah.
Any boy about them, any boy we say vendetta batty boy. That's how TopBalla say, not me. This is what TopBalla say, bro. Any man we say yo vendetta them a batty man. Boy, I don't know.
The one friend that I can't tag stick like shit. You know see the wall of them are some pit tiling. I feel me this Gwallaz a headshot I get quick. And any boy about them a batty boy makes it. Yeah. I mean no want to move my blood clot tell me nothing. Anyone my buck a pussy brawl in the middle.
Yeah, me no want no bomber pussy rascal body tell me nothing. Me no want nobody at all tell me nothing, dog. Anyone me buck him, anyone me see him.
Come in a foreign.
Tiling, I feel me this Gwallaz a headshot I get quick. And any boy about them a batty boy makes it. Yeah. I mean no want to move my blood clot tell me nothing. Anyone my buck a pussy brawl in the middle. The time about no levels that a bad build or something. Gwallaz a one that the badness and I know nothing. Yeah, I mean no want to move my blood clot tell me nothing. Anyone my buck a pussy brawl in the middle. The time about no levels that a bad build or something.
Nobody tell me about no levels. Nobody tell me about minute by your levels, pussy. Me a spit lyrics at the Bob the bill or something. How you bill?
Anyone my buck a pussy brawl in the middle. The time about no levels that a bad build or something. Gwallaz a one that the badness and I know nothing. Paxton tick you must be dreaming lad. Me and the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 go make a evening chat.
Box and kick, hey lad, little lad. You must be dreaming. Better you go home, go piece of bed and go your bed. Better you go home, bro. Cause anyway you see me, bro, me have it.
No, nothing Paxton tick, you must be dreaming, lad. Me and the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 go make a evening chat. Fuck face Knaxx, you we know you're not bad. The 𝐂𝐂𝐂 I go ring him out like rock. And chip white is BatFlick.
𝐂𝐂𝐂 ring him out like a rock.
Come on, we empty the pan clip. Dive by 90 feet with couple brooms.
Yo, this body no dog.
That I can't tag stick like shit. You know see the wall of them are some pit tiling. I feel me this Gwallaz a headshot I get quick. And any boy about them a batty boy makes it. Yeah. Since pussy them a tack. Any boy step shot a clack.
Since on the pan bumbo clot media talk off on a blood clot face. Me go show you the badness. Me go show you and say anyone me buck on the brother, anyone me sue no bro. A gunshot to not get. Brawling, no matter one of them brother. Could I in the front of church, you get it. That's what the G said, not me.
Yeah. Tinty pussy them a ta. Anywhere we step, shut the car. Knaxx come a road and dead like that. Sugar fall a halcon, and I wanna ya.
Bumbleclaw! Wait! The man said Knaxx come a road and dead like puppy, dead like chihuahua, dead like mongrel. You should have followed your cousin Anthony in your yard. You should have followed Vendetta Bass. You should have followed Alkaline Anthony in your yard. Because remember, Alkaline not ready to go up on the road and dog. You can't catch him on the road, you know. So you must say, yo, you should have followed your cousin Anthony in your yard, brother.
Knaxx come a road and dead like that. Should have followed halcon, and I wanna ya. Knaxx get covered when you wind up a feet. 7.62, make you look like Batami. Only love chat, me say like parakeet. Alone dead man when them rifle ya beat. Chip boy, this BatFlick. So pussy Knaxx can't distance it. Wind out, come on, we empty the pan clip. Drive by 90 feet with couple broomstick. One pen that I can't dark stick like shit. You know, see the wall of them a some pit tiling. I feel me this GwallazBadness a headshot, I get quick. And any boy I buy them a batty boy makes it. Yeah, I mean, I want to put my blood.
Glad them nothing.
Anyway, my buck up pussy brawl in the middle. The time about no levels that I bad build or something. GwallazBadness a wonder the badness and I know nothing. Back 10 tick, you must be dreaming, lad. Me and the AK go make a
Evening chat.
Fuck face Knaxx, yeah, we know you're not bad. The AK I go ring him out like rock. So pussy Knaxx can't distance it. Wind out, come on, we empty the pan clip. Drive by 90 feet with couple broomstick. One vent that I can't dark stick like shit. You know, see the wall of them a some pit tiling. I feel me this GwallazBadness a headshot, I get quick. And any boy I buy them a batty boy makes it.
Bumbleclaw! The war is truly on. And the young artists them braver than enough of them big artists here, cause the young artists them a shoot. The man them a chop, the man them a shoot. Yo, hear me I say. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself, bro. 1TopBalla, big up yourself, bro. This fire, this a fire. Me like this. Me like this. Knaxx, boy, look like you have your work cut out for you, my boy. Look like you have your work cut out for you, my boy. Cause me know say, think I go shoot something after you soon. I mean know say yo. The whole GwallazBadness them now gonna sit down and make you go and shoot off a tentic alone. Them are gonna get involved too. See them involved already. 1TopBalla involved tonight, bro. Him there. You see me? Talented you. Talented. Big up yourself, my G. 1TopBalla. What do you think what I wanna do? What do you think what I wanna? Him chat a whole heap of things that I wanna. And the rhythm tries, bro. The rhythm. Big up the producer for the rhythm. Big up your blood clot self. Yo, this bad. This bad. But brawling badness. Brawling badness, this bad. This bad. Name a call. Him have flow, him have clarity, it bad. Everything, no negative about it. No negative. Me like it. The war is on to blood clot. The war is on. Let me know what you think about that one in the comment section and I'll be done there with it, alright? I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Binds! I know sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.